Be our guest at Mount Royal University. Whether you're an individual, a family, or a group ranging from 10 to 700 guests, Resident Services is here to help you book the perfect stay. Open to anyone for booking, we're proud to offer a variety of affordable, accessible, and adjustable options to meet your needs. Choose from a wide range of accommodations, including 1, 2, and 4-bedroom apartments and townhouses. Apartments and townhouses have individual lockable bedrooms, a full kitchen, and living room. 4-bedroom units have 2 full bathrooms, while 1 and 2-bedroom units have 1 full bathroom, meaning you never have to share a bathroom with more than one person. Townhouses offering more of a rental house feel also include spacious outdoor areas right outside your front door. For individual short-term stays, book a beautiful upgraded suite at our Residence Hotel. Enjoy the quality and comfort of a downtown hotel combined with the conveniences of campus, all at an affordable price. During your stay, take advantage of our guest benefits, including a discounted rate to our fully equipped recreation center, complete with climbing wall, running track, and saltwater pool. For group functions, book additional on-campus facilities and services, such as conference rooms, classrooms, leisure areas, and catering services. We know location matters. Mount Royal is just minutes from the heart of downtown, and on-campus transit hubs make exploring by bus easy and convenient. If outdoor adventure is your thing, hit the open road and visit the natural picturesque beauty of Banff National Park. No matter the size of your group or the occasion, Resident Services is here for all your accommodation needs. Plan your next stay and book today at mru.ca/beourguest.